Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to get cube root of a large number without using a calculator. For example, I have 474552 and I want to get a cube root of this number. So before going further, we first have to look at the table for cubes from number from 2 to 9. So here is the table. So we have 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27, and similarly we have 4, 5, 6, and all these cubes here. So you need to remember these cubes to get the cube root of the large number. Now I have 4 basic steps to get cube root of a large number. So first I need to select the last 3 digit of the number for which I want to have a cube root. So here I have 6 digits, so I will write 474 in red and 552 in blue. And now I will choose the last digit of the number. The last digit is 2. Cube of which number also ends with the same number, so it's 2. So I think cube of 8 ends with 2, so I write 8 here. And now which is the largest cube we can subtract from rest of the numbers in red? So I have 474. So if I go back to my table and look into, so 474, the largest number I can subtract from that is 343. Now we know that 7 cube is 343 and 8 cube will be larger than 474, so we can only select 7. So what I write here is 7, and then we have 8. So now 78 is your answer. So let me give you another example. I have 54872. So 54872 can be written as 54 and 3 digits in the end, which is 872. So the number ends with 2. So the 8 cube is also ending with 2. So I will write 8 here. And then 54. So the largest number I can subtract from 54 is 3 cube. 3 cube is 27 and 4 cube is 64. So I cannot subtract 4 cube. So I will write 3 here. So the answer is 38. So as you can see, it was very quick, right? Now for 262144, I have 262 in red and 144, the last 3 digits, in blue. Number ends with 4. So the cube of 4 is 64. So 4 cube also ends with 4. So I will write 4 here. And then 262. What is the largest number I can remove from 262? 6 cube is 216. The answer is 64. So here now I can get the cube roots in a quick way without using a calculator.